Good morning class. Today we will solve question number 6 and 8 of exercise 2.2. So our question number 6. Question number 6 is you have to multiply and express as mixed fraction. So first you have to multiply, then the result you have to convert into mixed fraction. So how will we solve that? Let us see. You are having here the first part, that is 3 into 5 1 upon 5. So how will you solve it? You just have to write 3 whole number as it is, and you have to convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction or improper fraction. So first what you have to do, you have to multiply 5 into 5. What will be 5 into 5 is 25, and in 25 you have to add this one. So 25 plus 1 is 26. So here you will write 26, and denominator here was 5, so you will write here 5. Okay. How we have convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction? Let us see it again. It was 5 1 upon 5. What we have done here? We have just multiplied 5 into 5. I am writing it here. What we have done? We have multiplied 5 into 5. And in the result of multiplication we have added the numerator, that is 1, and in denominator we will write the same denominator given, that is 5. Okay. So what is 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 divide by 5. So 25 plus 1 is 26 divide by 5. So here we will write 3 into 26 by 5. Okay. So after converting it into fraction, what will we do now? We have to multiply 3 by 26 upon 5. So what will we do? 26 into 3. What is 26 into 3? How will you multiply it? 26 into 3. 6 3s are 18. Carry 1. Now 3 2s are 6. Plus 1 is 7, divide by 5. Now what you have to do? Now you have to divide 78 by 5, because as you can see the numerator here is 78 and 78 is greater than 5. So you can easily divide it by 5. So for division, what you have to do? You have to write in the side of your notebook, in the rough space, 78 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Remainder 2, again 8, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Here remainder is 3. I am doing it here. What was our final result? 3 into 26 upon 5. What we have written here, 26 into 3 is 78 upon 5. So how can you write 78 upon 5 as a mixed fraction? So in your rough space in the notebook, you have to solve it, that is 78 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, remainder 2, and 8 is bring forward, and 5 5s are 25. Now the remainder is 3. So as you can see, now we cannot divide 3 by 5. So here our remainder will be 3. So how will we write this number as mixed fraction? For this, what you have to do? You have to write 15. This 15 complete, and the remainder 3 you have to write at here, and the divisor 5 you have to write here. Okay. So this is the way you have to write a mixed fraction. So that was the part A of question number 6. Okay. In this question we just have multiplied both these values, and we have the result this, and now you have to divide, you have to convert this result into mixed fraction. So for mixed fraction, what we have done? Mixed fraction, we have divided 78 by 5, and whatever the result is, we have just written it in the form of the quotient we have written here, and the remainder we have written here, and the divisor we have written below the remainder. Now moving on to one more example from this question number 6. Let us solve F part. F part is 3 2 upon 5 into 8. This can be written as, first we have to convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction. So what will we do? We will multiply 5 into 3, that is 15, and 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 upon 5 into 8. So now what you have to do? You have to multiply 17 into 8. You have to do 17 into 8 in your rough side of the notebook. So I am writing it here. 17 into 8 is 8 7s are 56. Carry 5. 8 1s are 8 plus 5 13 by 5. So what you have to do? You have to now divide 136 by 5. So how will you divide 136 by 5? 136 by 5. Five twos are 10. Remainder is 3. Again we have bring 6 from upward. 5 5s are 35. Our remainder here is 1. So how will you write? What here is we have written 5 7s are, we have written here 27. So the solution will be, you have to write 27 as it is, then the remainder is 1, so you have to write remainder here, and below the remainder you have to write the divisor. So this will be your answer. Okay, now to verify your answer, what you have to do? You just have to multiply 27 into 5, and in the result you have to add 1. You will see the result will be 136. So this was the verification of your answer. So rest of the parts, question number 6, B, C, D and E, you have to do by yourself. Now moving on to next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8 is, it is a statement question. Vidya and Pratap went for picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. Okay, they are having a water bottle which contains 5 liters of water. Now Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. You see that there are two people, one is Vidya and Pratap, and they have a water bottle which contains 5 liters of water. Now out of the total water, Vidya had consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. So and Pratap consumed remaining water. जितना पानी बच गया वो प्रताप ने लिया, और Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. So first part is, how much water did Vidya drink? So first of all, see, total water was 5 liters and Vidya consumed 2 upon 5. Okay. Now you can see Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of total. विद्या ने 2 upon 5 वाटर कंज्यूम किया, बट किसका 2 upon 5? जितना पानी टोटल था उसका 2 upon 5 कंज्यूम किया. सो वी कैन से विद्या कंज्यूम 2 upon 5 ऑफ टोटल कैपेसिटी ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है. नाउ टोटल कैपेसिटी वॉज हाउ मच? 5 लीटर. सो 2 upon 5 of 5. So we have replaced of by multiplication here. So Vidya consumes 2 upon 5 of 5, that is 5 to 5 will cancel out. What will be left with? That is 2 liter. That means Vidya has consumed 2 liter out of 5 liter. Okay. This was the first part. If you are having any doubt, I am repeating it once again. Total water we were having was 5 liter. Now Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of total capacity of water. जितना total capacity था पानी का उसमें से उसने 2 upon 5 part ले लिया. So total capacity कितना था? 5. So we can write it as 2 upon 5 of 5. Now in this step we have replaced of by multiplication sign. Okay, now you denominator is 5 and here value is also 5, so 5 to 5 will cancel out. What is remaining? That is 2 liter. So 2 liter water is the water that Vidya consumed. Now moving to second part. Second part here is, what fraction of total quantity of water Pratap drink? Okay, now first of all see total water in the bottle. How much was the water in the bottle? 5 liter. Vidya drink, how much water Vidya consumed? Vidya consumed, in first part we have done it, 2 liter water. So now it has been asked that how much water did Pratap drink? So प्रताप ने कितना पानी पिया होगा? प्रताप कंज्यूम्ड, टोटल वाटर वाज 5 लीटर, उसमें से 2 लीटर पानी विद्या ने कंज्यूम किया, तो कितना बचा? 5 minus 2 is 3 liter. So 3 liter water is consumed by Pratap. So this was the question number 8. And question number 7 is very simple question. You just have to multiply. Question number 7 is based on the OF operation. So as you have know that the meaning of OF is just the, you have to replace OF by multiplication sign, and just after that you just have to multiply the values. So that was the question number 6 and 8, and 7 is your homework. So that's all, and you are requested to note down the questions in your notebook.